Hello kids, welcome to ABC123 Magical Learning. Let's learn alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10 with different colors and tracing. Let's learn name of the color kids. These are the colors. This is brown color. This is dark blue color, orange color, red color, violet color, dark pink color, sky blue color, light brown color, yellow color, dark green color, light green color. Now let's trace the alphabets. A for aeroplane. B, alphabet B. This is B. Next is C kids, alphabet C. Next is D. This is D. E, alphabet E kids. E. Next is F. This is F. Next is G. Alphabet G. Next is H. Alphabet H. I. After I, which alphabet? J. Here's K. After K, tell me after K. L. It's L. Then come L, M. Next is N. Alphabet N. O. This is O. P. Alphabet P. Q. Next is R. Alphabet R. S. This is S. T. U. This is U. V. This is V. W. X. This is X. Y and Z. Let's trace the numbers. Number 1, 2. This is 2. Next is 3. Number 3. 4. This is number 4. Number 5. 6. Number 6. 7. Number 7. 8. Number 8. 9. This is number 9. 1, 0, 10. Let's repeat again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Kids, hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.